If you're looking for the best car air purifiers, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've included detailed information on the top 5 car air purifiers available today, covering their features, performance, durability, brand reputation, and real customer feedback. Whether you want to eliminate odors, reduce allergens, or simply keep your cabin air fresher, this list will help you choose the perfect option for your needs. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Yakery Compact Filter-Free Odor Eliminator. If you want a no-maintenance, filter-free solution to keep your car smelling fresh every day, the Yakery Compact Odor Eliminator is a perfect match. This unit uses a mineral-based deodorizing technology instead of traditional filters. That means you never have to replace a filter, and it quietly removes tough odors like sweat, food smells, or smoke. After a week of gym gear in your car, you'll still notice the air stays clean and neutral. It plugs directly into your USB port or power bank, and it's small enough to sit in any cup holder without taking up space. Once you turn it on, you can forget it's even there. Just continuous, low-effort odor control for months. Pros: completely filter-free, no ongoing costs. Neutralizes stubborn odors like smoke and food. Compact design that fits any cup holder. Simple plug and play, no settings. Long-lasting mineral cartridge. Cons: does not filter dust or allergens. Works slower than fan-based purifiers. Mineral pellets are visible inside the casing. Number 2, Errant Mini HEPA Purifier with LCD. If you want cleaner, allergen-free air on your commute, the Errant Mini HEPA Purifier is an excellent plug-and-play option. Its true HEPA filter captures dust, pollen, pet dander, and other irritants that can make driving uncomfortable, especially in high pollen seasons or dusty areas. You'll notice an immediate improvement in freshness and clarity of air. Its sleek and compact design fits perfectly in a cup holder, and the single button operation makes it incredibly easy to use. Just plug it in, press the button, and enjoy cleaner air. Pros: genuine HEPA. Filter captures tiny allergens. Compact design, fits any cup holder. Ultra simple, one-button operation, affordable for a HEPA purifier. Cons: replacement filters add long-term costs, limited to cup holder placement. No filter life indicator. Number 3, True HEPA Car Purifier for fumes and smoke. If you're a daily commuter or rideshare driver dealing with exhaust fumes, cigarette smoke, or city pollution, this True HEPA Car Purifier is a fantastic upgrade. It captures 99.97% of microscopic particles, including exhaust soot, smoke, and pollen, giving you noticeably cleaner air even when stuck behind a smoky truck or in bumper-to-bumper traffic. The purifier also features a very quiet motor and a simple one-button control, making it hassle-free and distraction-free during driving. Pros: removes strong exhaust and smoke fumes. True HEPA captures microscopic particles, fits perfectly in standard cup holders, very quiet on all fan settings, easy, one-button interface. Cons: HEPA filters can be pricey to replace. Airflow is directional, not 360 degrees. No ionizer feature included. Number 4, Magyar's Whole Car Odor Eliminator. This option is not a continuous air purifier, but if you're dealing with a deep, stubborn odor that won't go away, Magyar's Whole Car Odor Eliminator is a powerful one-time solution. It works through a 2-step AC system treatment. First, you spray it into your vehicle's intake vent with the AC blasting, allowing the product to circulate through your entire air system. Then you let it sit and neutralize trapped odors at the source, perfect for smoke, pets, food spills, and mildew. It's incredibly easy to use and provides long-lasting results from a single treatment. Pros: eliminates odors at the source, not masking. Simple two-step application. Treats entire cabin and AC system. No power or tools needed. Long-lasting results. Cons. Not a continuous purifier. Requires letting the car sit for hours. Initial scent may be strong for some. Number 5, 1000 Jinx Green. Large bamboo charcoal air purifier bag. If you prefer a silent, natural, and chemical-free way to remove odors, this large bamboo charcoal bag is a great set-it-and-forget-it option. The porous charcoal absorbs odors, moisture, and even some allergens. Just place it under a seat or in a cup holder and it works 24/7. No power, no noise, no replacements. Best of all, it's reusable for up to 2 years. Every month you simply recharge it by placing it under direct sunlight. Pros. Extremely easy to use, no batteries, naturally absorbs odors and moisture. Reusable for up to 2 years, silent and chemical-free. Very cost-effective. Cons. No active airflow or fan results, take longer versus electronic purifiers. Large size may not fit small vehicles. That's all for today. All product links are listed in the description below. We upload videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.